Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to plan with me, or rather, we are going to plan in the weekly pages of my Hobonichi weeks. I haven't actually planned for this week. We are already on the 7th. It's a Sunday, and I have all the Halloween kits in my shop right here on my table. And what we're gonna do first, is we are going to pick out the kits that I will be using for the entirety of October. Oh, by the way, these are all in matte. So this is our new matte sticker option. They debuted just on the 6th Philippine time, so about afternoon of the 6th EST. And these are all in matte. Let me see if I have a glossy version somewhere. So for example, this is the matte version of the teddy, my teddy, and this is the glossy version of my teddy. So much stickers. So the glossy is in cream and it is fountain pen friendly, while the matte version is bleached white and it is ballpoint or gel pen friendly. I've just put that away, so let's go ahead and start with all the Halloween kits that we have in the shop. These are also available as bundles, so if you want to get everything, excuse my dog. If you want anything, you can go ahead and grab it from my shop right now as a bundle, so it's cheaper. So this is the Penny Dreadful, and I know I want to use it on the first week of October, so let's go ahead and flip to the next one. So next week is this, and I think I want to use this. This is Into the Night. This is like the Dark Cinderella kits. It has, I think I used one of those Dark Cinderella kits already, because I couldn't help myself. Not sure. Do you guys want to flip through of this? No, that's magic spells. No, that's not it. I don't know when I used it. Oh my gosh. Okay, by the way, guys, if you want Tiffany, so this kit is called Tiffany, you better grab it now because we are running out. And once it runs out in the shop, it's not going to come back. So better grab it now. Also, you can now grab it in matte paper. Okay, here. So this is part of this collection. I think this is almost midnight, and so I want to use Into the Night. I really like the colors of Into the Night. I think it's going to fit. So it's going to be purple, it's going to be green, and then I want to use... I'm pretty sure I'm going to use the Required Me kits later in the month, so I'm going to put that away. So we have a choice between Do Us Part and Remains of the Day. This is spookier, so I think I'm going to put it in the next week. So let's do Remains of the Day. This is what it looks like. So pretty. So pretty. Okay, and then I'm going to do... I'm going to do Us Part. And then I'm going to do... Yeah, that's perfect. So I'm going to do Recuérdame. What? That just flew in. Either this, which is La Llorona. I can't say that properly. I'm sorry. And El Mundo es Familia. I think I'm going to pick this one because it has all of the characters of Coco. So this is our Coco inspired. Because these are holidays for us. Because it's Day of the Dead. And no, I think it's Soul something. I don't remember, because sometimes I just call it Halloween, and it's 2 days of holidays, and I think these are all going to be holidays because you can't just go to work on Friday and stuff. So yeah, I think I like this. I don't think I'm going to use this other Recuérdame collection kit, so I'm gonna save La Llorona for something else. So once again, our roundup. So for the last week of October, I'm going to use El Mundo es Mi Familia from the Recuérdame kit. This is Halloween Bride, and this is Do Us Part. And then I also have another one from the same collection called Remains of the Day, because I really love this bride. So gorgeous. And then we also have one from the, how do you call that? I call it Dark Cinderella. I don't really remember what it's called, but this is called Into the Night, so I don't remember what the collection is called. And for today, we are going to use this, which is Penny Dreadful. I'm just going to take out the kits from here and then pile them up in the corner of my table. I'm pretty sure I'm going to remember. I'm going to put sticky notes on top of that. Do you guys use sticky notes in your planner? Because I love using sticky notes. Let's start with the date cover-ups. You can just see, so it's I purposely made it almost blend into the lace, because I feel like that's pretty. And I'm just going to lay it down like I usually do. I'm not going to do anything fancy today. Oh, and also what I've been doing is I have been putting the checklist right beside the date cover-ups. The logic or the reasoning behind that is because it matches that dot, and I feel like that's not a very good reason, but hey, my planner, and I feel like this works so that I see the day, I see what the to-dos I have to do, and then the best bit is that because it matches the date covers, it looks like it's purposely in the middle. I'm not sure if I'm explaining it well, but this is a really good example. So it looks like this is purposely in the middle. So everything written here is for this part. I like putting borders when I plan my page, when I decorate my page. So that's how it looks like. Just checking if I'm still recording my audio. I record audio separately because I have issues with the iPad that I am using. I don't know why. Okay, and that bit is done. Look at how pretty. Okay, that's a little crooked. Please don't mind that. Look at how pretty. Look at that. Bottom bar. So this is the left bottom bar. Now I'm going to start with my right bottom bar. Oh, before I do that, let me go ahead and put the dates on using my Sailor Moon Coletto. This is so pretty. So actually, I'm really boring because I picked one pink and then all black, because I know I really just use black when I write, and actually this black is done, if you can see that. That's why I moved it in the middle, because usually I tend to use this side. So this is what? 1. That's perfect. 1. So I'm going to put this header right where I put the circle, because this is marking me flying in. Oh, no. Okay, let's try again. Will it peel off? Oh. Yes. Just going to align it to the first line there. Okay, that's better. So I'm going to say that I flew in there, and then I'm going to put 2 dots because that's the way I plan. So I use this planner for shop and home. And then I think I'm going to put in this one. This sticker here. I'm going to put this here, because it's scary and pretty at the same time. Who's excited for Halloween? Okay, I'm gonna use this for here, because this is class day. And then I'm gonna use this, yeah, for Saturday, which is here. Saturday and Friday, because these are shop days. And then, oh, I still have these. Gonna use the little witch. Okay, no, wait, hang on. So since we are on this page anyways, let me go ahead and put down my weekend script sticker. So it's not really a banner, it's called a script sticker. At least that's what I call it. Oh, no. It's okay, honey. There we go. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Do you see? I think I'm really enjoying the matte paper. Maybe because I've been using glossy paper all this time. And then let's go ahead and put down this. I'm just following the line in between Saturday and Sunday, and since I've been doing this a while, I can tell a little bit where that is. But sometimes I misjudge it. Okay, now let's go on to our script stickers. So we only have script stickers and a few decos and these left. So I usually use the dots. No, hang on. Let's do script stickers first for the other page goals. I'm gonna use this hand. Yeah. I'm gonna use this hand because there's a hand at the bottom here. Gonna put, oh, hang on. Look at that manicure. Look at that accessory. Look at everything. It's so pretty. Okay, everything is pretty. I'm gonna put 2 dots like I usually do. Actually, this is an old format. I have since redid the kits again. Let me see if I have. Nope, these are all decos. And then I'm gonna put a hat right here. It's a witch's hat. A really glam witch's hat. Mind. Not just any hat, but a glam witch's hat right next to notes. Oh, come on. Okay. And then I'm gonna put this at the bottom corner here, where I will put track. So don't track a lot. And this page is done, I think, and then maybe not. Maybe I'll just use this here. Except for this. I changed my mind right away. So I want to mark new releases, and then this one goes into notes. I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna use this for next week. To mark next week. Oh, that looks good. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, here we go. That looks so good, you guys. You guys should totally try our matte papers. It's so pretty. Okay, the glossy paper, I have much love for that because that's the first ones that I ever used for Hobonichi, because I really took the time to find paper that's fountain pen friendly and that is thin and that is glossy. But also, you know, it's not too bad if it's white. Not too bad. It does contrast a lot more. Like, it doesn't flow as well. So this is in glossy also. And it kind of is blending better with the cream paper of the Hobonichi Weeks. Compared with this, it's like really feeling, there's a feeling of being separate. And this video is getting too long. So I'm just going to put down the dots, some more here. There we go. And empties. Oh my gosh. No, I forgot. I'm sorry. I forgot. Very quickly now. I'm at the 15-minute mark. 15-minute videos are hard to edit. Just saying. Let's finish this. Let's finish this today. Ooh. You can, of course, cover up the Japanese here. I'm too far away for you to see, but there's a Japanese script here, and I can cover it with today, but it's too close to do. So yeah, that is what we did. And this is the final product. And it's so pretty. This spread is just life. I cannot wait to use this spread. And I'll just fill it out later. This is our empty, so empty, nothing left, and empty, nothing left. Yay! So thanks so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planner videos, please subscribe to my channel. And if you want any of the kits that I showed you today, please go to paperjoyph.com, where I have all the Hobonichi kits. They are formatted specifically for the Hobonichi Weeks. We also have Hobonichi Cousin, as well as Hobonichi Original A6 for you, if those are the planners that you use. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!